At Allied Restoration, even though we see damaged or destroyed properties every single day, we treat every disaster like it's the only one we're facing. We know that the damage to your home is not something you planned for, but we have been preparing for it our entire professional lives. Every member of our tribe is committed to providing you with a truly unique, memorable, and personalized restoration experience. And when we rebuild your home, we understand that you are trusting us with the most important place in your family's world. We strive to meet all of your expressed and unexpressed wishes and needs so that your call to Allied Restoration will be the very last call you will have to make for the restoration of your home. Everyone loves a great before and after picture, but this work isn't just about painting and cabinets. It's about getting home in time for the holidays. It's about finishing on time so that you can have family dinners and birthday parties again. It's about giving you and your family back the one place in the world that should always feel safe. We do everything we can to make this as easy as possible for you. We work directly with your insurance company so there are no surprises to you. From drawing up plans to helping you pick out materials to your final walkthrough, we make your challenges our challenges and help you find solutions that make sense for you and your family. They say that home is where the heart is, and at Allied Restoration, our promise to you is that we will put our heart there also. Allied Restoration. Many strengths, one purpose: to serve.